the rower and box, and I'm going to see how long it takes to put them all together.
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing and reviewing the Sportplus Foldable rowing machine. Why a rowing machine? Well, I've been into bodybuilding for sort of 30-35 years, and a lot of people used to say to me, "Oh, you bodybuilders, Mark, you always get fat at the end of it." And I always used to say the same to these people. No, that's not quite true, because if you know you're going to stop the sport, gradually you start reducing the amount of weights and frequency of your training, and you also reduce the calories that you intake. So you don't actually get fat, unless, of course, you have an injury. Guess who's had an injury? Yeah, I've ripped the tendons in my shoulder, so my training stopped like that overnight. And I haven't been in the gym for 3 years. I did start getting back into it and just training legs 2 years ago, but then I felt as though one of my muscles in the leg tore as well. So I've been totally out of it now for like a year and a half. I have got back into the gym last week, but I just feel as though I need a little bit more motivation to get the weight off. So I decided to buy a rowing machine. Why a rowing machine? Well, I've always enjoyed it in the past. It doesn't put much stress on the shoulder, and I just thought it was ideal for me. And the reason I went for the Sportplus rowing machine was that the maximum user weight was 150 kilos, whereas a lot of the machines on Amazon were just 120 kilos. And I just felt at 118 kilos, I was a little bit too close to that maximum user weight. So by having the Sportplus rowing machine, it gave me a greater margin of comfort and sort of safety of me not damaging the machine or hurting myself. So that's why I went for the Sportplus Foldable rowing machine. In this video, you're going to see Naomi putting it all together. She's going to give a little demonstration at the end, so I hope you enjoy. Guys, if you scroll down in the description, you'll find a link for the Sportplus rowing machines on Amazon, so you can have a look at the rowing machine for yourself and the price.
Here is the rower and box, and I'm going to see how long it takes to put them all together.
Okay, here's the assembly instructions. Let's see how long this is going to take us to put together this Sportplus rowing machine.
Guys, it's just taken an hour to put together the Sportplus rowing machine.
Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short review on the Sportplus Foldable rowing machine. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Now, I've already been on the rowing machine and it's fantastic. It feels really strong, very robust, and I'm going to see how much weight I lose over the next month or so. Thanks for watching, see you again soon.